Hi party people. We got a lovely package from Clara Joyce Flowers. There's some Dahlia rooted cuttings. So let's open them up and see how they did along their journey. And make sure to check them out. I have them linked in my Linktree. They have dahlias and all sorts of other flowers. So, super cool. Let's see how they did along their journey. Oh, and they're located in Illinois, if that makes a difference for anyone. There should be 12 cuttings in here. It was kind of cold today, but not too bad. It was like 50 outside. Ooh, some cute little care instructions. Adorable. Love it. All right. Ooh, they're so cute. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous, beautiful, lovely. Little label there. All right, so there's that one. I forget how many types I got. I think 5 maybe. Or, I don't remember. There's 4. And even if they look a little bit roughed up, like once you get them planted, they'll be fine. Those little guys. And I'm gonna just pot them up in these little pots right here, just because it's not quite warm enough to get them outside. So we'll start them inside for a couple weeks until the last frost, and then we'll pop them outside. I'll do a little video of the potting up as well. All right, and there are those ones. Lovely, they're all in fabulous shape. Oh my gosh, we've got a little chapstick. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna put all this stuff back in here, and then I'll look through that later. But for the potting up, I'm gonna just do this little seed starting mix, Jiffy's. It's on my Amazon storefront, if you're interested in it, or they have it at like Home Depot's, Lowe's. All right, who's gonna be our lucky one? How about this one? Wow, they're really packed in there. I'm gonna try to pinch or push up from the bottom. Ooh, and look at that. Got a little bonus in that one. 2 for 1. All right, and then we're gonna just pop it in here. You probably think I'm being so careless and like rough with these, but I'm just trying to hurry so the video is not too long. Okay, there we go. Popped in there. We're gonna water it and we're gonna put it inside and they're gonna be good to go. I'm gonna do a time lapse of the others, so come along.